These long-tailed macaques live in Bali. They have developed new interests brought by human visitors. Every morning, the troop heads for a building in the centre of their territory, Uluwatu Temple. Tourists come here every day in crowds. There is a constant supply of hats and sunglasses. There are greater rewards to be had for those who know how to get them. They've been working the temple for over 10 years and now concentrate on the big stuff. And these old boys can't wait to get their hands on the latest tech. They've worked out that we simply can't survive without our phones or our wallets. The older males understand something the youngsters have yet to learn.